guys, so if you're on a budget and you're looking for something that you can actually use on your skin, on your face, that is going to help give you Korean glass skin, glowy skin, help to manage your acne, help to manage hyperpigmentation, help to manage excess oil production, help your skin to glow, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you my routine and something that I've been using, and this is also very, very effective and also affordable, especially for those of us that are on a budget. So first of all, you're going to be getting a face cleanser, and the face cleanser you're going to be getting is this Idole gold soap. Can you see it, guys? This is what you're going to be getting. This is what it looks like inside. This is the last one I have. I cut it into bits so I can, use it on my face. So you're going to get it like this, and then you're going to lather it up on your hand. You're going to lather it up. Do not put it directly on your face. You're going to lather it up on your palm, and then you're going to wash your face. You're going to wash your face. Concentrate on the areas like the corners of your face, because that is actually where oil and dirt settles. Make sure you massage your face very well. Make sure you massage this soap into your skin for at least 1 minute. At least 1 minute. Make sure you take your time when you're washing your face, because of all the oil and all the dirt and grease and dust that settle on your face. So when you're done, you're going to pat dry your face. Do not rub your face. You're not fighting with your skin. Take your time, pat your face dry. Pat. And when you're done patting, now we are going to be going in with toner. And when it comes to toner, I did not used to like toner before, but now I have seen the light, and I'm going to be telling you guys that toners are very, very, very important, especially when you get the right type of toner for your skin, because most times we tend to get the ones that are not suited for our skin type, and that is why it looks as if they do not actually do anything. But right now, I actually use three toners on my skin, and they have been amazing. I'm going to be showing you the toners I use. This is the first toner I actually use. So this is the one. This is rose water. Guys, I love this rose water so much. This is what it looks like. This is just plain rose water, no additives. This one is not even finished, and I already have another one. Can you see? A new bottle. So this is how good this rose water is. You're going to take it like this in a spray bottle. I prefer to put my my rose water in a spray bottle, my toner in a spray bottle, and then you're going to spray it all over your face. Just spray it all over your face, and then you're going to let that dry down. What this is going to do is help with oil control, help with inflammation, help with redness, help with when your skin is inflamed and itchy and just feeling hot, especially if you have sunburns, especially if you have acne, because most times acne tends to make your skin irritated and just hot. That hot feeling, that tingling feeling. This helps to calm it down, and this also helps to shrink your pores. Most times when people have oily skin, they tend to have open pores, enlarged pores. This also helps to shrink those pores and make your pores look smaller, and also it gives your face this little mild brightening benefit because of the rose it contains. Rose is mildly brightening, so it's not something that is going to clear your dark spots, but it's going to help give your face that beautiful brighter look. This is very, very nice, and it's very, very good when you can actually carry this around and just spray it on your face throughout the day to give your face that refreshing, calm feeling. Guys, this might actually sound crazy, but I actually use 3 toners like I said before, and this is the next toner I use. This is the Pretty Cowry Rice Toner. This is actually what it looks like. And then when I'm done with my rose water, I go in with this rice water toner, because if you're familiar with K-beauty, I cannot actually afford to get those expensive skincare, those expensive Korean skincare. That is why I go for the affordable ones. This is made in China, and it's actually very, very good. So you need to actually get things that benefit your skin. For example, this is rice toner, and rice toner is very, very good when it comes to brightening your skin, anti-aging, making your skin plump, helping to refine texture. My skin has been breaking out lately, and this is one of the things that has been helping me with texture and also making my acne disappear and helping to keep my skin clear. This is it. This is what it looks like, and you're going to go in with this, and you're going to pour it into your palm. You're going to pour enough into your palm, and then you're going to just pat it into your face. make sure you pat it into your face. Let your face, the fact that you have oily skin doesn't mean you should not moisturize your skin. When you moisturize your skin, it is going to send a message to your skin that, oh, this person's skin is moisturized. You do not need to produce too much oils or excess oils, which is now going to come and clog your pores and cause you further breakouts. So when your skin is properly moisturized, your skin is calm, your skin is not feeling the need to produce excess oil. So if you're someone that you feel like, oh, I have oily skin, I should not be applying moisturizers, or I should not be moisturizing my skin or using hydrating toners, that is actually doing your skin more harm than good, because it's going to be making your skin produce excess oil to actually make up for the water, the hydration that your skin is lacking. One thing I like about this toner is that it contains plant extracts, a lot of plant extracts. It contains ivy leaf, it contains burdock root, it contains peony leaf, a lot of good. If you are familiar with K Beauty, Asian Beauty, you know that their products are good, and this is also made in China. And I went through the ingredients list before I got this, and this has been working for me. It is very, very lightweight. It's not clogging my pores. It is giving my face a very, very beautiful shine that I really, really love. It does not contain alcohol especially, and it doesn't contain any harsh fragrance. So when I'm done with that rice toner, I go in with another toner. This is the next toner I use. Can you see? This is the essence toner, rice essence toner. Can you see, guys? This is what it looks like inside. This is it. This is a milky toner. The other one is actually clear. You can see how it's clear, but this one is mostly rice. This one contains a lot of plant extracts, but this one is mostly fermented rice, and this is actually what it looks like. Very, very milky. And this one is a lot more hydrating than the other one because of, you know, how milky it is, and it contains hyaluronic acid. This one also, the last one actually contains hyaluronic acid, but this one I noticed is a lot more hydrated. And you want to take this, now your face must have dried down a little from using the other toner. Now you're going to take this one again, and you're going to pour in enough into your palm, and then you're going to pat it into your skin again. You're going to pat it into your skin. I'm going to be giving your skin time to actually absorb these 3 layers of toners, because it's going to help your skin barrier. This is one thing I want to be taking very, very seriously right now, which is skin barrier, because most times we do not take our skin barrier seriously, and that is actually what causes further breakouts, what makes your skin irritated. This is something that I've been taking care of, and I want to really, really focus on barrier, skin barrier. When you take care of your skin barrier, your skin is going to glow. Your skin is going to be, you know, more resistant to, you know, issues. Now, after going with that 3 layers of toners, I know that is a lot for some people, but this is very, very good for your skin barrier. Your skin barrier is very, 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 very important, especially if you're using lightening products, especially if you're using acne fighting products, because most of these salicylic acids, these lightening products, these acne fighting products can actually tamper with your skin barrier. But when you're using things that actually replenish your skin barrier, strengthen your skin barrier, make your skin barrier tougher, this is not going to be the case for you. You know, that salicylic acid, those active ingredients you're using on your skincare is not going to have, you know, those effects on your skin. So after using my toners, now I'm going to be going with my moisturizers, and this is the moisturizer I use. I've reviewed this moisturizer on my channel. If you can actually check out that video, that is me reviewing different face creams, affordable, effective face creams. And this is the Sadoer Niacinamide 10%, you know, face cream. This face cream contains alpha arbutin, very, very nice, tranexamic acid, and 5 times ceramides. Ceramides is also amazing, super amazing when it comes to, you know, barrier, skin barrier, strengthening your skin barrier. And also 10% niacinamide will help to refine your skin texture, help to minimize pores, help to reduce oil production. If you're an oily skin person, if you have, you know, visible pores on your skin, you know, your skin texture is not smooth, this is going to help refine your skin texture. This is very, very good because it contains ceramides. I am loving anything that is going to help with my skin barrier. And also centella. Centella is very, very good for people with sensitive skin, acne-prone skin, skin that is prone to irritation. Centella is amazing. Chef's kiss. If you are someone that you usually have, you know, acne, you usually have sensitive skin, you usually have irritation, look for product that contains centella, because centella is going to help calm your skin down, help to soothe irritation. So this is actually what it looks like. This is actually what it looks like. Very, very lightweight. That is why I'm telling you guys, you do not have to actually use expensive product to get good results. This is also a Chinese brand. This is made in China. This is actually made in China. But do you see the quality? When you go through the ingredients list of these products, you're going to be amazed. This, I got this for 3,500, and look at how amazing it is. And it works. It is not just packaging, guys. This is not just fine packaging. It actually does work. So I use this, on days I want to use it. I alternate between using this one and using this one, which is the one that contains salicylic acid. As an oily skin person, you need salicylic acid. You really do need salicylic acid. You also need niacinamide, because niacinamide will help control your oil production. When your oil production is controlled, you do not have all this excess oil that is going to now come and clog your pores and cause you further issues. And it also helps refine your texture, make your face, your face texture smoother. This is actually the one that contains salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid, and also squalene. On days I'm not using this one, I use this one. On days I'm not using this one, I use this one. But do not use this one a lot. Do not use this one back to back to back, because of salicylic acid is not something you should be using back to back to back. If you use it today, tomorrow, at least lay it off for the third day or the fourth day, and then use it again. Do not use it back to back to back to back to back. It is not a harsh product, but to be on the safe side and make sure your skin barrier is not compromised, that is why I'm actually advising you not to use every day, because salicylic acid is not something you want to be using back to back to back. And this is actually what it looks like. This one is a lot thicker than the niacinamide one. As you can see, it's a lot thicker than the niacinamide one, but it is also super lightweight. This is very good. It helps with acne, helps with pores, helps with blackheads. This is very nice. If you can get this and pair it with this, just alternate between this one and this one. On days you're using this one, don't use this one. On days you're using this one, or you can actually use them together. Sometimes I actually use them together. I take a little bit of this and then I apply, and then I rub that in, and then I let it sit, and then I go in with another layer of moisturizer. They are very good, and I notice my skin tends to have this very beautiful glow to it, and I really love it. And because this one contains 5 ceramides, it helps to strengthen my skin barrier. I noticed that while using this, my skin barrier has been strengthened. I do not usually get all these unnecessary inflammations or sensitivities that I usually get because of the ceramide. Use products that cater to your skin barrier, guys. Your skin barrier is very important. Do not be using lightening, exfoliating like products back to back to back, and you do not care for your skin barrier. You are not going to really enjoy the outcome in the long run. So when you are done moisturizing, now you want to go in with your sunscreen. This is Dr. Davi sunscreen. I will not recommend this sunscreen for you if you're dark skin, because it actually leaves a white cast, but the formula of this sunscreen is amazing. I love it. It contains peptides and also collagen. I love it. It just gives your face a plumper, fuller, radiant look. But it is not advisable for someone that is actually dark skin, because it's going to leave a white cast on your body. So when you are done with your moisturizer, you want to take enough sunscreen on your hand and also apply on your face, because everything you did in this routine is going to be useless if you do not protect your skin, because the sun is even more harm to your skin than you can actually imagine, because it is going to irritate your skin. It's going to cause you more hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and if you are fighting acne and the sun, it's going to just irritate your acne, and the last thing you want to be doing is irritating your acne, because that is going to just make you have acne flare-ups. So that is why I'm recommending soothing ingredients, soothing products that are going to soothe your skin, products that are not going to cause you further inflammation and irritation on your skin. I do not use a serum presently because I have not actually gotten the one that works best for me, but when I get that, I'm going to actually come and review it and tell you guys how it actually worked in my skincare routine. And after that, I love to go in with this lip mask. This is so nice, guys. It smells so nice. I know this is not even part of the routine, but I really just like to moisturize my lips with this because it is so nice, and it smells so sweet and edible. So now your skin is done, your face is done, and this is so affordable. I'm going to be giving you a lowdown of what this actually costs. So first off, the face cleanser I'm using, which is the Idole soap, this one is actually 1,500 naira, 1,004. I got this one for 1,004, but then you're going to be moving to your toner. your toner, the first toner. As you can see, the price on it, 1,005. You can actually get this from 1,500 to 2,500 or 3,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. But I got my own for 1,500 naira. And then you're going to be moving to this one, this pretty Cowry toner. This is actually it, and you can see the price, 4,500. This is how much I got this toner, and it is so big. This is 300 ml, going to last me for a very, very long time. Now we are going to be moving to the next one, which is this one, this rice toner. As you can see, the price, 3,500 naira. 3,500 naira for a toner that contains fermented milk, that is going to help your skin barrier, help brighten your skin, help refine your skin pores. This one, 3,500 naira. My sunscreen, it's been long I got it. I got my sunscreen for 3,000 naira. It's been so long. You might actually get, I do not actually recommend that one because it leaves a white cast. So you can actually get the bio UV sunscreen. My face cream, this one, I got this one for 3,500 naira. Likewise, this one is also 3,500 naira. So you can actually do the maths and see that this thing is not actually something that should break your bank. And once you get this product, it is going to last you for a long time. As you can see, most of the products here are not small. The small ones are actually the face creams, and those face creams, a little goes a long way. So when you get this product, it's going to last you for a long time. You do not need to be repurchasing. The toner is big, the face cleanser, the soap is so strong. You're going to use it for a very, very long time. It's not even going to finish. You're going to be begging that soap to finish. So that is actually all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this video or you learned a thing or two from this video, please do not forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel and share this video if you found this video helpful, and I will see you in my next video.